Hello, this is Justin, a consultant with Concentrus. I wanted to share with you today a short presentation on how you can close multiple accounting periods in NetSuite. You may be wondering why you would want to allow someone to close multiple accounting periods. There could be several reasons. One may be that your company has decided to start tracking departmental expenses and would like to update information or add journal entries to closed periods. You may have recently migrated from another ERP system and decided you wanted to bring more historical trial balances into NetSuite. Or you may have just started with your company and noticed that the monthly close process was not being closed every month. This process will allow you to close several years of accounting periods if needed. You can see here, this demo account has a few years that haven't been closed. I want to go ahead and close all the periods through December 31st, 2021. First, I need to make sure that the feature is on. You will need to have permissions to update this feature. You can tell if this feature is on by navigating to the Manage Accounting Periods list page. You will see a button at the top called Close Multiple Periods. If you don't see that, you can find this feature under Setup, Accounting Preferences, Accounting Preferences. On the General tab, within the General Ledger section, there is a setting called Allow Quick Close of Accounting Periods. That feature needs to be turned on. I have this on already on our demo account. So I will navigate back to Manage Accounting Periods. I'm going to click on the Close Multiple Periods and select the period I want to close through. I will select December 2021. Allow NetSuite to close those periods. And voila, all periods through December 2021 are now closed. If you found this video helpful, you can find more videos like this on our YouTube channel. Or visit us at Concentrus.com. Also, don't forget to click on that like button and subscribe to our channel for future content. Thank you. Goodbye.